Hi, I'm Alex from Pilotline. Today, we're going to be stretching some SPC wire and trying to figure out how far can we go. SPC stands for silver-plated copper. Copper can be stretched quite a bit before it breaks. It's quite ductile. In fact, we're going to be measuring the percent elongation at the point that it breaks, and then using that to calculate how far can we stretch it before we get to that point. Along the way, we'll also measure the diameter changes to understand how this makes removing the mandrel easier. We're going to make some reference marks on the SPC and use that to calculate the strain. We're also going to use some calipers to measure the diameter of the mandrel as we go. Place the sample in the clamps and very lightly tighten the clamps. Now we can begin to stretch. At this point, we're going to pause, measure the difference between the lines, and check the diameter. Now let's continue stretching until we break the sample. And there it is. The broken end usually looks bulleted like this. Let's check the final reduced diameter as the sample broke. We can see that this sample reduced all the way down to 78 thousandths of an inch. Let's check the distance between the marks after breaking the sample. Let's load up the second sample and pull it till it breaks. There it goes. The marks on both samples stretched to 12.75 inches. And they both got down to 78 thousandths of an inch, or 79 thousandths of an inch. Let's go calculate the numbers now. We know the strain is the change in length over the initial length. For this sample, that works out to 28% elongation at break. Solving for the final length, it's just epsilon plus 1 times the initial length. In the case of 50 inches between the clamps and applying a conservative 25% strain, that comes out to 62.5 inches. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like to add something, leave it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.